What's up guys, my name is Libby. I hope you are doing well, and today I am wearing a shirt. You just can't see it because it's a tube top. Also, check out my gnarly burn here. I don't know if you can even see it. It is currently Memorial Day and we just spent all day outside. I definitely got burned. I didn't put any lotion on, but it is what it is. So today I'm going to do a really colorful eye look for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I do put out new videos every Thursday and then a bonus video throughout the week, so stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes. I'm going to leave everything in the description of what I'm using if I do something off camera so that you guys know. First, I'm going to start by priming my face. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And I just like to put it a couple pumps all over, dripping down my face. And then I just use a flat brush, get up there, and put it everywhere. And then once I have most of it like applied with the brush, I'll just use my fingers and massage the rest in. I like to do my face primer first before I do anything because it gives time for the primer to soak into your skin. You know, if I were to just apply foundation right away on top of this, it would be kind of like slippy slidey. So while I'm doing my eyes, you know, this can soak into the skin. Alright, I'm gonna go all out with this eye look. I'm really not sure if it's going to work, but I'm just gonna go with it. So for this whole thing, I'm probably just gonna be using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. To start off the eye look, I'm going to begin with this color in the crease. And then with my Aspen, Ovard, and Tarte collaboration palette, I'm just going to be taking the color Married Life. I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. And then on a smaller brush, I'm just going to take the color that's right next to it. It's just this darker like teal color. And I'm going to just concentrate that right in the crease just to darken it up a little bit. Okay, next I'm actually going to go in with my ColourPop concealer again, and I'm going to do a cut crease. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set that real quick with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Translucent Setting Finishing Powder, whatever it's called. I'm just doing like quick patting motions just to set that concealer real quick. Next, I'm going to go in with this really light purple shade here. I'm just going to focus that on the inner portion of this cut crease. And for this, I'm patting rather than swiping, just because if you pat the color on, you get a little bit more color payoff, pigmentation, it's a little bit more vibrant and bright, whereas if I was swiping it, it would become a little bit more blended. Alright, and then on the outer portion of my eye, I'm just going to go in with the deeper purple that's right above it on the same brush. I'm just going to do the same technique with patting. Whereas most looks are usually blended, I want to keep the harsh line just because that's the look I'm going for. Now that that is all wiped away, I'm just going to go ahead and take the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. This is in the shade Classic Ivory. Next, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium. To set my face, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Next, I'm just going to set the brows. I initially went in with a brow pencil, but I just want to put a little bit of powder product on them. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Get up here. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo, and I'm just doing this to clean up my brows now that I have a majority of my face makeup on. Alright, now I'm going to go back to the under eyes. I'm going to go in with the dark teal shade that we used in the crease, and I'm just going to put this on the outer corner. And I'm just going to put it halfway so it kind of lines up with that line that I already made on the lid. And I'm also just connecting it to like the outer portion where that teal comes down. Finally, for the under eyes, I'm going to put some orange in the inner corner, so I'm going to be going with this color. And I'm trying to make sure I don't blend it too much into that blue, just because blue and orange are contrasting colors, so it'll make it like brown if they mix. So alright, and then I'm going to take a little bit of this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liquid Eyeliner, glitter eyeliner. This is in the shade AC/DC. It's just like a purple glitter mixed up. I haven't used this in ages. Alright, and then I'm just going to outline the cut crease. Wow, that looks really good. I like that a lot. I like it a lot. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. This is just some butter bronzer, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna take the darkest shade here, just like so lightly, barely any product on my brush. Just put it in the very hollows of my cheeks, but I'm not gonna bring it down like that far at all. And I'm just gonna blend that up into the bronzer. And I'm also just gonna put that around my hairline a little bit. And I'm also gonna use it to, oh, I got a runny nose. Oh god, it's running. Next, I'm also going to use it just to contour my nose a little. Oh, yeah, that looks great. And then for blush, I'm going to use the blush that's in the Aspen and Tarte palette. I think this is just the most beautiful, flattering blush that ever existed. I actually also love using this blush on my eyes. Like, that's been my everyday like go-to look, is like putting blush on my face and then putting like a little bit in the crease. It makes them look real good. For highlight, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. And this is in the shade Molten Gold. Wait, what? Molten Gold or Fondue. There's two names for this. Oh, so pretty. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Mutation Mascara. Okay, wow, that literally just took me 1,007,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 quadruple years to apply these lashes. These are the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. Now, I've only ever tried Lily lashes, and yeah, they're so expensive, but I can put those on so quickly. Like these, I don't know, maybe just because the band is so thin. I guess I like a thicker band, but oh, took so long. But I wanted to try out some new lashes. I guess they look good though once they're on, but oh my god, it literally took a million years to apply them. For lips today, I'm going to take the ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Times Square. And then to set the face, I'm going to be using my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. I really like how it came out actually. I know that now that it's pretty much like June, you know, festival season is definitely upon us. A ton of festivals are going to be coming up here pretty soon, and some have already happened. I think this would be a great look to wear to a festival. You could probably even like make it even fancier by adding some gems and rhinestones to your face. I love that Urban Decay Heavy Metal eyeliner in the middle. I like the neutral lip with it. I like the pop of orange. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do put out new videos every Thursday and then a bonus video throughout the week. And stay tuned for more fun looks like this. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Ooh, what is see you in my next video with my talking hands.